Good morning. Sorry, I'm busy. Wait, good morning, Queen Maria. Thank you. How great. I hope don't forget to like and share. Okay? You talked about who's in the chat. You talk to wait, chat, live chat. Wait. Why you cannot see top chat? Okay, good morning, wait. How's your wife, wait? Live chat, top chat, or message her. Who's in the chat? What are you doing, wait? Thank you for calling me Queen, even it's not. My wife came home last night. Oh, good, good, at least. She's okay. Regards to your wife, okay? Wait. Okay, I need to continue. Wait. 3 million people in the house waiting on test result. Okay. Before she discharged last night, she take all the blood check, blood, what do you call this? Okay. Waiting for the test exam. I know that exam. What do you call this? Sorry for my wrong. All the tests, all the blood tests. Okay. I need to test. Better? 3 million people in the house. Thank you guys. And please don't forget to like and share. Are you ashamed? Liver biopsy. It will be when we get a call to go in. Okay. We take the test of the liver biopsy. Hopefully everything is okay and everything is fine. I pray for that. Halfway. There's nothing impossible if it in the God, and pray everything to keep it God. There's reason why everything what happened. Don't worry, wait. Everything will be okay, right? Hopefully your wife will be better soon. Just pray. Give regards to your wife, faith, okay? 5 million people in the house. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to like and share. Don't be ashamed if who you are, right? I go liver shopping is Latoya. Gulay. Latoya is healthy, the liver. As for her, give it the liver and transplant.